Nad Network Services. Patch panel. Hey there! In today's fast-moving world, a dependable network connection is more than a necessity. But connecting all those tangled wires is not an easy job. That's why we have patch panels. So, let's get started with what a patch panel is. Definition of a patch panel. A patch panel is simply a device that allows multiple connections to be made between network equipment and cables. It is essentially a centralized distribution point that helps manage and organize cables, simplifying maintenance and troubleshooting. Types of patch panels. There are 4 types of patch panels available in the market. Unshielded twisted pair, UTP, patch panels. UTP patch panels are commonly used for Ethernet networks. They are easy to install and come in various sizes, depending on the number of ports required. Shielded twisted pair, STP, patch panels. STP patch panels are typically used in industrial environments where equipment is more susceptible to electromagnetic interference. They provide better shielding compared to UTP panels. Coaxial patch panels. Coaxial patch panels are used in cable TV and broadband networks. They are typically installed with a coaxial cable that runs between the patch panel and the modem or router. Fiber optic patch panels. Fiber optic patch panels are used for high-speed data transfer over long distances, making them ideal for enterprise networks. They use fiber optic cables that transmit data using light signals, enabling faster and more reliable data transfer. Functions of patch panels. Patch panels serve a variety of purposes. Centralized distribution point for network connections. Easy management and organization of cables. Simplified maintenance and troubleshooting. Improved network performance and reliability. Installation of patch panels. Installing a patch panel requires proper planning and execution. Here are some key steps. Select the appropriate patch panel for the network type. Choose the right location for installation. Properly label and organize cables to prevent confusion. Test and verify connections to ensure proper functionality. Conclusion. Patch panels are an essential component of any modern network. They provide centralized access and organization for network cables, facilitating maintenance and troubleshooting. Choosing the right patch panel for your network type and installing it correctly can save you time and money in the long run. So, make sure you invest in a high-quality patch panel to ensure a reliable and efficient network connection. Thanks for watching. Nad Network Services. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and share for more.